Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a friendship in Free4talk. Okay, so you have to talk with people. Okay, so I'm just going to create a room only for two languages, English and level, any level, then create a room. Okay, so this is my room. I'm just going to enter my room. If someone join here, then maybe you have to talk, and if you want him or her as a partner, a speaking partner, then you can make a friendship. Okay, but it's not possible if your account unverified. My account is unverified. It means that I cannot able to uh, make a friend with someone who are unverified, so I can only uh, follow someone who are verified account. So okay, I have to wait for someone. If someone join, then I can make a friend. So just wait. So a person is join. So you can see it's the setting icon. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you have to click follow. Okay. Once you click follow, and if that person also follow you back, then you become a friend. Then you can message each other. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.